What causes prosecutor burnout from heavy caseloads? Imagine carrying a backpack so heavy that every step becomes harder. Prosecutors often feel this way when they have too many cases on their plates. In courtrooms, prosecutors are the key players who review evidence, prepare for trials, negotiate plea deals, and stand for the state in criminal cases. When they are assigned too many cases, it can lead to serious exhaustion. Long hours are a big part of the problem. Prosecutors spend countless hours reading case files, preparing arguments, and meeting court deadlines. They often work late into the night and on weekends to keep up. The pressure to be constantly available for emergencies or urgent court matters adds to their stress. This non-stop schedule can make it tough to balance work and personal life, leading to fatigue. Another factor is the emotional toll of handling tough cases. Prosecutors often deal with crimes involving violence, abuse, or trauma. Repeated exposure to such distressing details can cause secondary trauma. This is when they absorb the pain and suffering of victims, which can lead to nightmares, emotional numbness, or feeling detached from their work. The environment they work in also plays a role. Many workplaces reward overwork by focusing on how many cases are processed or how many hours are billed. This culture makes it hard for prosecutors to set boundaries or ask for help. Pressure from supervisors, courts, and the public to deliver results can push them to work even when they are overwhelmed. Heavy caseloads increase the chance of mistakes. When prosecutors are stretched too thin, they might overlook important details, miss deadlines, or make errors in legal arguments. These mistakes can affect case outcomes and damage trust in the justice system. The fear of making errors adds more stress. Staff shortages can make the problem worse. When there are not enough prosecutors, the remaining staff must take on even more cases. This creates a cycle where burnout causes more people to leave, which then increases the workload for those who stay. Burnout also impacts how prosecutors interact with others in the courtroom. Exhausted prosecutors may become less patient, less attentive, or more cynical. This can harm relationships with defense attorneys, judges, victims, and witnesses. It can even reduce the effectiveness of the entire legal process. In short, prosecutor burnout from heavy caseloads happens because of long work hours, emotional strain from difficult cases, a workplace culture that values overwork, higher chances of errors, and staffing shortages. These factors combine to create a stressful environment that can harm both prosecutors and the justice system they serve. Addressing this issue involves setting realistic caseload limits, providing mental health support, and changing workplace norms so prosecutors can do their jobs well without burning out.